Kenya Professor Kithure Kindiki nigakorire igikaro na babwatani ao kurwase sekta yo kumurekera kubeka oborendi bwendagira himeyense hase aenekire buna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo yabekire emiroberio na koenekia buna oborendi bwendagira mbochi koenekiwa murikito Deborah Mwenesi na murikiro roboti rwase nchira yobwikira.
The government will go out of its way to make sure that this situation will not affect the food security of our country.
Kago kwana sege ikaro gia serikali goro yoborendi bwendagira Kindiki nigaerera buna serikali nebege gokore bikaro kereiki elio gosonsora chinchera chia bwango chokorwani omochando yo nabo igo nigaerera buna ebimeri ebyo byanyarete koba bigosareka birosigwe na kobendagira yetugo elio kobakonya abalemi goke yasara.
We have met this morning to look at some of the immediate interventions we need to make. We have agreed to continue meeting every week to make sure that there is enough preparedness for any eventuality. In the meantime, we are also looking at modalities of using part of the crop that failed for processing and making of animal feeds, and so that farmers can also get a bit of income from the crop, even if it has not matured.
Nigo igaerera buna serikali yabekire bitango elio koenekia ebimeri ebi byabeire bigoko ng'anko geswabire kuomigwa na kugachua senchera ebwenerete. Oigo nige serikali yariganirie kobakonya abalemi ase embura ya El Nino eyuekageire gochaka omotienyi oikomi.
We are also preparing interventions around making sure that the crop that will be ready for harvest will be harvested, dried, stored, and used. And thirdly, we are also looking at interventions around assisting farmers to prepare for the El Nino rains that are projected to start later in the year, from around October, by seeing what kind of interventions around farm inputs, farm preparation, that we can do to subsidize production and help farmers level out some of the disadvantages that are coming out from this depressed crop.
Kindiki nigasingerera buna serikali nigegenderete koenekia ogotarema kwendagira na koenekia mokenya tayo gochogochandeka igoro yendagira abwasa abamanya abalemi igoro yemechandeka geire gocha kobwatekana nembule yo.
I want to assure the country that the government is seized of the matter of what has happened this season. The government is also seized of the matter of what is projected to happen later this year in terms of precipitation. We are taking all possible measures to prevent any part of Kenya, any citizen of Kenya having to suffer famine or lack of food, and to support our farmers to make sure that they don't get disrupted because of the weather which has happened and the weather which is projected to happen.
Kolibote liegeta seni gien soko, elietalia nende Deborah Mwenesi.